Boxers from bout number 3 to ringside. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving to bout number 3. We are going back to the featherweight division. These guys are featherweights, 125 pounds. Our third man in the ring for this bout, referee Bobby Brunette. Bobby Brunette. Introducing your boxers. Boxing out of the blue corner. This young man represents the mean streets of St. Paul, Minnesota. He hails from the Rice Street Gym in St. Paul. Let's hear it for Not Too Bad. His opponent traveled south this evening. He represents the St. Cloud Boxing and Wrestling Club.
Red Clan.
Three rounds, double.
Okay, Clint, what's going on? Seconds down, baby. Seconds down. Grab a seat, please. There you go. There you go. There's some points. There you go, Clint. Good. Good job. Good job. Right hand's the hook. There you go. Good. Good move. Good move. Good move, Clint. That's the way. There you go. Good eye contact. There you go. Good. There you go, Clint. Another click. It's another click, Clint.
Coming in there, right hand in the chest. There it is. Hands up, hands up. Hands up, and lay your hands off.
There you go.
Back to work.
There you go. Good job, Clint.
Stay there now. Stay there now.
He's trying to brawl.
Stay right now. Body. Stay there.
Score.
Down and up. Down and up.
Okay, take three more clicks here, Clint. Let's go, Red. There you go.
Okay, let's throw that right hand over the top.
There you go.
There it is.
Good eye contact. Good block, good there. There you go, good scoring. Good scoring, Clint.
Hands up.
There you go, good. Good contact, good job. All right, good job. There you go, Clint, there you go.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, these guys come to box or what? Say if you are interested in amateur boxing or are interested in competing or just getting in shape and boxing, Uppercut Gym here, this is the gym that we're at. Offers boxing, everything's open 6 days a week. We have classes, you don't have to be a competitive boxer, professional boxer to train here. We have memberships available. Go over to the front desk and inquire about membership here at Uppercut Gym. Come on down and give it a whirl. Round number 2. We have Clint Delaware and Not Too Bad.
Hook it. A lot of hooks this round.
There you go. Good job. Bring it up. Looking good.
There you go. Stay there.
Good move. There's the score. There's too quick. Time up there. Time up.
Stay right there.
There you go. Stay center.
Hook scoring. Take that body.
45 seconds. There you go. Good. There you go. Good car. There's the score.
Straighten out that right hand. Straighten it out. Straighten it out.
Score off that. Score Good tie. Looking good. 20. 20. There's another one. Good Connor. Good Connor. Tie up. Good tie. Good tie.
Right out. Finish it now. I want to finish it.
Another shot. Good shot. Good job.
What do you think of this action? Open division boxing. Wow. You got it going on here tonight in Northeast Minneapolis.
That's reaching to Jim.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, again, a reminder, we have our concession stand open. We've got bottled water, we've got Gatorade, soda, hot dogs, chips. We've got candy over there. As a matter of fact, I got to see if there's more of me. We've got all kinds of stuff over there. Those guys are right now just waiting to help you. All the money and proceeds from our concession stand tonight goes to the gym and the sponsors. Round number 3. Open division featherweight.
One more ball. One more ball.
Keep your hand high.
There you go.
Keep your hand up, not so.
Good. Two for red. Two for red. 2 more. There you go, red.
Left foot.
Reversal.
Relax, relax, not so.
I need you to face with the right hand. There you go.
Reverse it. Reverse it. Reverse it. Put him on the ropes.
Gonna keep holding. That's you. Right down the middle. Right down the middle.
45. Looking good. There you go. Good tie. Good tie. Good tie, Clint.
That's you. Dig it.
45. Good shot.
Nothing there. Nothing there. Hands up.
30, Clint. 30.
He's tired, not so.
Watch his power.
Left foot, not so.
Good move. Good. Good move. There's another Clint.
Good body shot. Good body shot. Finish it.
15. Back on that jab. Take 2, 15. Take 2. 2 in time. 2 in time.
There you go.
Uppercut.
There you go. Good. There's a quick red.
Come on, Natsu. Uppercut now. Left foot. You got this, Natsu. Good.
Thank you.
What an excellent bout that was. Wow. Great job in matchmaking tonight. We've had good bout, one good bout after another one. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner in the featherweight division. He is out of the red corner. Let's have a big round of applause for that two fans out of White Street Gym. Can we get Corey Rodriguez to ringside, please? Corey Rodriguez to ringside.